So once you found your low pressure AC line, you're going to pop off this cap. Use our AC recharge kit. This is a 134A refrigerant. I'll link this down in the description, and make sure when you're done, if you use the whole can, save the nozzle. They charge you quite a bit for these, and these are reusable, so toss it in your garage and save it for the next time you have to do it. You're going to pull this locking collar back, and we're going to place it onto our low pressure sign. Give it a little tug to make sure that it is seated, and then we just have to start the engine and see where we're at. So as you can see, we're sitting right around 25 psi, which is a lot lower than the 40 to 50 psi recommended based on the ambient temperature outside being 80 degrees. So to fill this, we're going to rotate the bottle from the 6 o'clock to the 3 o'clock position while squeezing the trigger and hold it for about 5 seconds. And we're going to repeat this process until we get the psi up to the correct levels. Once you're finished, pull back on the locking collar to remove your hose, and then make sure to replace your cap. That's it. Now you got ice cold AC for the rest of the summer.